ಮರ್ಯಾದಕುರಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಜಿ.ಕೆ. ವಾಸನ್ ಅವರುகளை மரியாதைக்குரிய சிங்கமலை பாரதிய ஜனதா பார்ட்டி மாநில தலைவர் அண்ணாமலை அவர்களை, டாக்டர் ராமதாஸ் அவர்களை, டிடிவி தினகரஜி அவர்களை, குட் ஸ்பீக்கர் தமிழ் மணியன்ஜி அவர்களை, அம்புமணி டாக்டர் அம்புமணி ராமதாஸ் ஜி அவர்களை, டிடிவி ஆல்ரெடி டோல்ட், நடராஜன் ஜி அவர்களை, சிவகுமார் ஜி அவர்களை, கருப்பு முருகானந்தம் ஜி, ஆல் என்டிஏ மாவட்டம் தலைவர் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். சகோதர சகோதரர்களை, I came here with the nalvaltikal message from All India Bharatiya Janata Party to this meeting where you are celebrating the birthday of Bharat Ratna, Karma Veerar, Peruntalaivar, Kalvi Tantai, Padikatta Metai, Kingmaker, Black Gandhi, Sri Kamaraj Nadarji, Bharat Ratna. I am saluting for his contribution in this Punya Bhumi, in this Siddha Bhumi, in this Karma Bhumi of Tamil Nadu. He is a great personality. And he is the exemplary personality in this country. He is a famous proverb, Kamaraj plan. In the history of Indian democracy, he is a very shrewd man, practical man, makkal man, poor people man, farmers man, all sections man, that is Kamaraj Nadarji. And like his follower, his associate, makkal leader, our great G.K. Mopanarji, I am saluting because I worked with him in student politics. He is a man of simplicity, hard-working, very shrewd. But whatever the circumstances, in Tamil Nadu, there are a big personalities who are capable to lead this country as the Prime Minister. Kamaraj Nadarji, like Mopanarji also, is a Prime Minister material. But unfortunately, whatever happened is happened. Like father, son, G.K. Vasanji is very good man, very kind heart man. Our leader, our Viswanayaka global leader, Prime Minister likes him, Home Minister likes him, Naddaji likes him, whole NDA front. He is the best coordinator and good brother among all of us. Wherever trouble is there, he is a troubleshooter. Annamalai knows, everybody knows. I don't want to take much of your time. This auspicious occasion, a towering personality, Kamaraj Nadarji's birthday celebration. Tomorrow is the birthday. Tamil Manila Congress is celebrating. But I am seeing a cycle symbol. In Andhra, cycle, Tamarai and Pawan Kalyan party are ruling. In coming days, in Tamil Nadu 2026, our Achi, NDA, our Tamarai cycle, NDA Achi Nichayam, our Kamaraj Nadar footsteps Sevaye Lachayam. Not like Dravidian model, Trimuka DMK, meant for Ekmuka for Gundaism, Ekmuka Ulal, Ekmuka Katta Panchayati. That is the Stalin government governance. Kalachara, Vishasara, Savu, Ambati, Arvati Anji. That is the model of Dravidian Stalin government. Wherever there is no law and order, daylight encounters, murders, ganja, smuggling of drugs, This is the model governance of Dravidian model governance of Stalin-led DMK Congress government. But they should ashamed to see this Kamaraj model governance, to see GK Mopanar model's governance and Narendra Modi ji's model governance. I saw some paper cuttings, paper statements. Chief Minister is criticizing Narendra Modi ji's central government. Tamil Nadu is not getting anything. He is lying. I am condemning through this dais. Mr. Stalin ji, you know the facts. Nowhere any partiality. Prime Minister is helping Tamil Nadu all-round development, about 10 lakh crore rupees towards highways, road connectivity, railway connectivity, everywhere, Sagarmala, so many welfare programs and development programs getting Tamil Nadu. To divert his failure, he is attacking center. It is not fair. You have to take the model of Kamaraj Nadarji, who is a simple man, who has introduced midday meal scheme, who has introduced so many good things. Rajaji, Kamarajji, Omandur, Ramaswamy Reddyarji, just now Maniyanji told about all stalwarts of Tamil Nadu. I am saluting all of them. Once again, Tamil Manila Congress, led by GK Vasanji, is having a good future head along with our, we are a big brother like Bharatiya Janata Party, NDA collectively, we will fight against this Ulal government, this Makkal, whatever Tamil Nadu, DMK, Trimukha government, corrupt government, anti-people policies government. Definitely in coming days, 2026, Tamil Nadu, NDA Achi Nichayam, Bharatiya Janata Party Achi Nichayam, our TMC, all our NDA, PMK, TTVG, everybody, we will fight for the cause of Tamil people under the dynamic leadership of Narendra Modi ji. Definitely we will go to the door to door, we will win over the hearts of people of Tamil Nadu. Ullam Selvam, Illam Velvam, like we will win over the heart of people of Tamil Nadu. With these words, I am conveying my best wishes to GK Vasan, the entire TMC cadre, NDA cadre, BJP cadre, TTVG's cadre, Ambumani Ramadas's cadre, all our NDA partners cadre, Valtikal, Nalvaltikal, Romba Santosham, Nandri Vanakam.